Monitor resolutions always play a significant role when it comes to the overall viewing experience. Right now, the most prominent choices would be 1440p and 4K. Both have their own strengths and weaknesses. However, you might be asking yourself, do I really need 4K, or is 1440p enough? To know the answer, we will be exploring a few important aspects of both of these resolutions.
The most obvious difference between 1440p and 4K monitors lies in their pixel count. 1440p, often referred to as Quad HD, QEHD, or 2K, serves as a middle ground between the 1080p and the ultra-clear 4K. This resolution offers 2560 x 1440 pixels, providing a substantial upgrade from Full HD, while not taxing your GPU as much as 4K. On the other hand, 4K, also known as Ultra High Definition or UHD, delivers a whopping 3840 x 2160 pixels. The sheer pixel density of 4K results in unparalleled clarity and detail, making it a top choice for filmmakers, video editors, and content creators who demand uncompromising image quality. If you're an avid PC gamer, the choice between 1440p and 4K should be driven by your gaming preferences. 1440p monitors, being less demanding on your GPU, are often considered the sweet spot for gaming. They strike a balance between improved image quality and maintaining smooth frame rates in the latest AAA titles. Gamers can enjoy stunning visuals without necessarily splurging on the latest graphics card. In contrast, 4K gaming demands a substantial amount of processing power. While it can undoubtedly showcase games in all their glory, achieving consistent high frame rates at 4K resolution can be challenging even for top-tier GPUs. Gamers may find themselves needing a high-end graphics card to fully harness the potential of a 4K monitor. So if you're a dedicated gamer who values performance, 1440p might be a more sensible choice. Another crucial factor to consider is your preferred viewing distance. 4K excels when you're up close and personal with the screen. Its high pixel density ensures that even at a short distance, you won't discern individual pixels, results in a crisp and detailed image. This makes 4K ideal for tasks like video editing or photo retouching, where you need to scrutinize minute details. On the other hand, 1440p monitors are more forgiving when it comes to viewing distance. If you plan to sit a bit further away from your monitor, perhaps on a couch while gaming or watching movies, 1440p still provides excellent image quality without forcing you to squint at the screen. It's a versatile option for both gaming and workspace setups, making it a compelling choice for those who want a monitor that can handle various tasks. An emerging trend in monitor technology is the use of OLED panels, which can be found in both 1440p and 4K monitors. OLED displays offer several advantages over traditional LCD panels, including individually lit pixels, resulting in perfect folds and vibrant colors. However, the adoption of OLED technology has been more prominent in the 4K monitor segment. For users who prioritize image quality above all else, 4K OLED monitors are a dream come true. They deliver unrivaled contrast ratios, color accuracy, and response times, making them ideal for professional content creation, photo editing, or simply enjoying movies and TV shows in all their glory. The only downside is the price tag, which can be considerably higher compared to standard LCD monitors. While 1440p OLED monitors exist, they are less common and often overshadowed by their 4K counterparts. If you are a creative professional or an enthusiast seeking the pinnacle of visual fidelity, a 4K OLED monitor may be worth the investment. However, 4K monitors in general are considerably more expensive than 1440p monitors due to their higher pixel density. So, between 1440p and 4K, which resolution is better? There is no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice should align with your specific needs and preferences. If you're a dedicated PC gamer or on a budget, a 1440p monitor offers a cost-effective and gaming-friendly solution. It strikes a balance between image quality and performance, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. On the other hand, if you demand the highest level of detail and clarity for tasks like video editing, content creation, or simply reveling in cinematic experiences, a 4K monitor, especially one with an OLED panel, is the way to go. Just be prepared for the higher cost and potential GPU upgrade requirements. In the end, both 1440p and 4K monitors have their merits, and the decision should hinge on your priorities and how you plan to use your monitor.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.